Hello and welcome to G Fun Facts Online, your go-to spot for the most amazing discoveries from our world and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into the prehistoric past, where a stunning find in Spain is shaking up everything we thought we knew about one of the most iconic dinosaurs, the stegosaur. Get ready, because this is a big one. Imagine the sun-baked hills of Rio Deva in Teruel, Spain. It's here that paleontologists have unearthed something truly spectacular, a 150-million-year-old stegosaur skull. And not just any skull. This one belongs to a species called Daxentruris armatus, and it's the most complete stegosaur skull ever found in Europe. This isn't just a cool fossil. It's a game-changer, forcing scientists to redraw the stegosaur family tree. The incredible team from the Fundación Conjunto Paleontológico de Teruel Dinópolis found this ancient treasure at a site called Están de Colón. The rocks there, part of the Villar del Arzobispo Formation, date back to the late Jurassic period. Now, finding any dinosaur skull is a rare treat. Their bones are delicate and often don't survive long enough to fossilize. Stegosaur skulls are even rarer because their heads were relatively small and tended to separate from their bodies after death. But this Spanish discovery? It's got crucial parts like the snout, upper jaw, and even the brain case. That's paleontological gold. Sergio Sanchez Fenolosa, a researcher at Fundación Dinópolis, put it perfectly. He said this fossil is revealing previously unknown secrets about Daxentruris armatus, which, by the way, is celebrating 150 years since its first description in 2025. This skull is key to understanding how stegosaur heads evolved. Before this, Daxentruris armatus was mostly known from scattered bones and bits of armor. This new skull is like getting a high-definition look at this European giant for the first time. Early observations show it had a narrower beak and differently arranged cheek teeth compared to its famous North American cousin, the Stegosaurus. This could mean they had different diets and were adapted to different environments. The skull also shows where strong neck muscles attached, helping support those characteristic plates and spines. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Because this skull is so complete, scientists were able to conduct a new analysis of how all stegosaurs are related. This has led to a groundbreaking proposal, the creation of a whole new group called Neostegosauria. This group would include medium to large-sized stegosaurs from Africa and Europe during the Middle and Late Jurassic, North America in the Late Jurassic, and Asia in the Late Jurassic and Early Cretaceous. Think about it. This reclassification challenges long-held ideas about the stegosaur family tree, which were often based on less reliable bits like armor plates or limb bones. Skulls, it turns out, tell a much clearer evolutionary story. The Iberian Peninsula, especially areas like Teruel and Valencia, is turning out to be a hotspot for stegosaur fossils in Europe. The Villar del Arzobispo Formation alone has given us remains of Daxentruris armatus, Stegosaurus species, and even Miragaia a truly bizarre stegosaur known for its incredibly long neck. Get this, Miragaia longicolum from Portugal had at least 17 neck vertebrae. That's more than most long-necked sauropods. The variety of these stegosaurs shows just how important these plant eaters were in late Jurassic coastal ecosystems. And the Están de Colón site keeps on giving. Besides the amazing skull, excavations have turned up over 200 additional bones, representing at least two individuals, an adult and a juvenile Daxentruris . Finding fossils of different ages together is super rare for stegosaurs, and it gives us a unique chance to study how they grew and lived. Alberto Cobos, managing director of Fundación Dinópolis, highlighted the massive impact of this research. He said that studying this exceptional fossil and proposing a new evolutionary hypothesis makes this work a global reference in stegosaur studies. And there's more to come. As the Rio Deva site is still being excavated, let's take a quick step back. Stegosaurs belong to a larger group of armored dinosaurs called Thyreophora, which means shield bearers. This group also includes the tank-like ankylosaurs. The earliest Thyreophorans appeared in the early Jurassic. Some, like Scutellosaurus, were small and even walked on two legs. But by the Middle and Late Jurassic, They had evolved into the large, four-legged herbivores with impressive defensive armor that we know and love. This new Spanish skull is filling in crucial gaps in our understanding of how these fascinating creatures, especially the stegosaurs, evolved. So what's next for this incredible skull? It's going high-tech. Further CT scanning and digital reconstruction are planned, which will allow for 3D printing and sharing the data virtually with researchers all over the world. And as more fossils are carefully freed from the rock at Rio Deva, they'll provide even more data to test and refine this new Neostegosauria hypothesis. This stunning Spanish discovery is so much more than just another fossil. It's a pivotal moment, a key that unlocks a fresh perspective on the evolution of one of the world's most recognizable dinosaur groups. A 150-year-old European dinosaur is finally showing its face, and in doing so, it's helping us rewrite a significant chapter in the grand epic story of life on Earth. That's all for today on G Fun Facts Online. Join us next time for more incredible stories from the world of science. Stay curious.